as far as the production of the product, you know, the water jet has streamlined it. I mean, made it very efficient. It's cleaner. It's a nicer looking product. I'm able to achieve higher run rates because of the ability to go from one pan to the next in that short of time. The method we used before, it was like cutting with piano wire, and it wasn't efficient enough. It wasn't clean enough. We weren't able to achieve the run rates we wanted to make the product more cost effective.
It's quicker. I can go through 10 cakes in no time, whereas then the old way, I'd have to cut the cake in half, then cut, then put the other half on and cut again.
I mean, you picture a wire's a round object, so there was no cutting of the cake. It literally, all it did was push through the cake. All right, the water jet completely blows the cake out of the way, so it is a clean cut. You know, you had rounded edges on your cake before because the wire smashed through the cake and didn't cut the cake out of the way.
Cutting it by hand, there is a human error factor, no doubt about it, whether it's with a knife or a wire cutter. You're going to have slippage, sliding, marring of the edges of the product. Oftentimes the edges of the product would be rounded, curved, and now that we use the water jet, they are perfect 90-degree, clean cut corners. The other thing that we could not do cutting by hand or with a wire cutter was we could not cut in shapes other than a square. Everything was square, and now with the water jet, we can do shapes, customization for customer needs, things that other companies don't offer now, which helps us immensely and helps gain a new customer base. We are twice as fast now as far as the cake cutting goes. We're yielding more pieces per cake. We were about 250 pieces per yield, and now we're up to the 500-piece range. So that has been a huge help. The yield increase is amazing because of the reduction of waste.
We are yielding up to 95% of the product. Our waste has been cut dramatically. Very easy to clean. It's very easy to operate. There's really not much to it. The operation of it is very nice. There is no water or moisture left on the product whatsoever. Like I said, it blows the product out of the way, so there is no water whatsoever. Whatever you can dream of in your head, I can make for you. 100% creative, and here in the plant has just, you know, given us that edge that no one else has to choose from.
There is a program we can use where we can cut multiple different sizes on one cake. So if we want to change from a shamrock shape to a flower to a square to a heart, whatever we would choose to do, we're able to do that with this machine on one piece of cake. That's extremely revolutionary. That's what everybody strives for, is perfection in the product that they produce. So the better it looks, the more people are interested in buying it. So this definitely gives us a nice looking product. It has improved our quality, and I guess along with that goes the efficiency and the costing aspects of it. So now we have I think any company aims for is high quality at a reduced cost and reduced waste.
They literally have a million different shapes and ideas. The system is great. It's very easy to operate. The screen is 100% touch screen to cut as perfect as it does. I mean, yeah, our expectations just way above and beyond what we ever thought.